Hi, I'm Neil Weber with Heckler. I'm here at ISE 25 here in Barcelona, and this is the Heckler rolling stand for the Microsoft Surface Hub. We designed this not long ago, so we're showing it. It's making its international debut here. Comes in white Heckler powder coat, and it fits the Surface Hub 2 and 3S. And like the rest of our mobile fleet family, it assembles toollessly in 2 minutes, and it supports the smart rotate function that's available on the Surface Hub 3S. One other cool part of it is that, there's that battery accessory that you can get for the Surface Hub 2. It's gigantic, but we have a way to mount that between the two uprights here, so very sleek. And then the backside is all covered with a rigid PET felt that's made out of recycled plastic bottles. It also comes with a number of cable routing options and a cable wrap as well. Again, we don't want you or your customers to have to look at cabling, and we want to make it nice and neat all the way out to the outlet. This should be shipping Q2, Q3, but as always, for more information, come see us at Heckler.com.